Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shreya's e-learning. In this video we will cover following topics. So let's see. Starting with mathematics of asymmetric key cryptography, we will see Euler's phi function with all examples in detail. So let us start with mathematics of asymmetric key cryptography. So first we will see Euler's phi function. It is also called as Euler's totient function. So it is used to find the number of integers that are smaller than n and relatively prime to n. Also, so we know about the set Zn star. We have seen it earlier in my previous video. So it contains the number that is less than n and relatively prime to n. That is, Zn star is a set of multiplicative inverses, as we all know. Euler's phi function, phi of n, calculates the number of elements, that is, how many numbers are in Zn star. So there are 4 rules. Following them, we can calculate the numbers in Zn star. First is phi of n. Here n is equal to 1. So phi of 1 is equal to 0. Next is phi of p. So here n becomes p. P is prime number. So phi of p is equal to p minus 1. The condition is p is prime number. Next, phi of m into n. Some composite number which is m into n. So that is equal to phi of m into phi of n. So we have split it. So here m and n both are relatively prime. That is, the GCD of m and n is 1. Then phi of p raised to e is equal to p raised to e minus p raised to e minus 1. Here also p is prime number and e can be any exponent. So using these 4 we can find how many numbers are in Zn star. So now let us see some examples to understand the Euler's totient function. So first example we have, find elements in Z6 star. So here n is equal to 6. So factors of 6 can be 2 into 3. So using the third rule, that is phi of m into n is equal to phi of m into phi of n. Using this we can find this. So how? Let's see. So here phi of 6 is equal to phi of 2 into phi of 3. So now using the second rule, that is phi of p is equal to p minus 1. Here p is prime number. So here 2 is prime and here 3 is also prime number. So how we will find? So phi of 6 is equal to phi of p is p minus 1. So phi of 2 will be 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 into phi of 3. So 3 minus 1. So here 1 into 2. So 2. So there are 2 elements, 2 numbers in Z6 star. So now we have next question, that is find value of phi 13. So here n is equal to 13, that is prime number. So we will apply rule 2. What is rule 2? Rule 2 says phi of p is equal to p minus 1, where p is prime number. So phi of 13 is equal to 13 minus 1, that is 12. So there are 12 numbers in Z13 star. So our next question is find value of phi 49. So here n is equal to 49. So by seeing this, we remember that phi of 7 square, since we know that 7 square is 49, so we can write that phi of 7 square instead of phi of 49. It is equal to phi of 49. Correct? So now we will apply our rule 4. What is our rule 4? Rule 4 says that phi of p raised to e. So here you can see prime number. 7 is prime number, 2 is exponent. So p raised to e, p raised to e. Phi of p raised to e is equal to p raised to e minus p raised to e minus 1. So this we will apply, and p is prime number. 7 is prime number. So let's see. Phi of 7 raised to 2 is equal to 7 raised to 2 minus 7 raised to 2 minus 1. So 49 minus 7. So we get 42. So there are 42 numbers in phi of 49, that is Z49 star. So there are 42 numbers in Z49 star. So value of phi 49 is 42. So here we have another example. Find value of phi 240. So for phi 240, we need the factors of 240. So 240 is equal to, so factors are 16 into 15. That is, we also can write it as 16 as 2 raised to 4 and 15 as 3 into 5. So we got our factors. So here we will apply our rule number 3, that is phi of m into n is equal to phi of m into phi of n for writing this. So phi of 240 is equal to phi of 2 raised to 4 into phi of 3 into phi of 5. And this term we will solve using rule number 4, and these two we will solve using rule number 2. So what our rule number 4 says, that phi of p raised to e is equal to p raised to e minus p raised to e minus 1. So let's do it. 2 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 minus 1 into phi of 3. So our rule number 2 says phi of p is equal to p minus 1. So answer will be 3 minus 1 into here phi minus 1. So answer will be 64. So there are 64 numbers in Z star 240, or the value of phi of 240 is 64. So these are your try by yourself sums, and answer to these I will give in my next video, and in my next video we will also see Fermat's little theorem. Hope you liked my video. Do like, share and subscribe my video, and click the bell icon for more updates. And comment below your doubts and suggestions. Thank you.